Hey there YouTube, today we've got another sneaker unboxing. We are coming back at you with this, which hasn't come from Nike, as you can tell. It's come from StockX, but nobody knows that, apart from I've just told you. So shall we get to it? Oh my word. It's all chaos here, everybody. Right, so before we zip into these, I'm going to read you all the stuff as we normally do on this channel. So these are a Nike SB Dunk High Pro Quick Strike. They are a US 11.5. That makes them UK 10.5. The color, if you want to know, is for University Red, Black, White, and the code is BQ6827300. Right. StockX card doesn't mean anything because they might be fake, they might not be. First of all, woodcut paper, everyone, which is always nice to see. Let's get these out. These are funny already. These are amazing already. Okay, so I didn't get these when they first came out, and I've been waiting for the price to come down on these bad boys. And I'm so glad already I did. Oh my word, these are amazing. Right, so first of all, let's unlace them. If you don't know who I am, my name is Mr. B, and on this channel we tend to do these sneaker unboxings just like what we've just done. We also do these cinematic on foot things, which you can see if you look on the channel. But let's have a look at these. Oh my word. Just loosening them off because there's so much to see on these. SJ's on the old sneaker cam down here, over here, and she's already getting in there. There you go, SJ, have a look at that bad boy. Is that not amazing? Oh my word, right, let's get the paper out because there's so many details on these shoes, everyone. So many details. I want to get the paper out. First of all, SJ, the lace bag really is a dog poop bag. It says Nike SB on it. I'm not going to undo it just yet, although let's just do it. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the laces. Oh my word. It's done up just like a poop bag. This was the 420 for this year, named the dog walker. To most people that wouldn't be quite so obvious why, but apparently it's a strain. Dog walker OG. There you go. So let's have a look. This is an amazing lace bag, like it really is. The dog is just literally down there, and I want to have a words with Nike because you couldn't get your hand in this. Like, if you were, like, you'd have to be really little. So like, and then it's just not gonna work. Nike, cunning idea, but you have to have a really small hand to get in there. But first of all, SJ, alternate laces are brown, dog brown. Match the dog really, our dog. I'm gonna put those back in there. And I'm going to put the laces in their poop bag, back in the box. So many details on these. So first of all, SJ, before we go into the shoe, let's have a look. So what have we got here? We have got this red swoosh here in a fabric that is not unlike a fabric that you would see on a dog collar. We've got the Dalmatian print here, which feels like it's on a kind of fake pony hair. We've got the green shaggy suede here. We've also got on the back, StockX tag, of course, we've got a brown here, and again, that sort of fake pony hair, I think. Calf hair, as SJ's just reminded me, calf hair. We've got the Nike SB dog tag with, of course, Sparky. I think I've only known one dog called Sparky. What type of dog is a Sparky?
Spaniel.
Could be a spaniel. Oh yes, that was
Sparky
Spaniel.
the Spaniel.
All right, I take that back. I've known two dogs called Sparky. I think there was another Sparky once who was a Jack Russell. But Sparky the Spaniel, this is in honour of you. So we've got that there. So we come on the inside and we go back to the toe box, again in that calf hair, as I'm told. It's all there. There's so much on this shoe, it's ridiculous. We've got the little, if we look, I'm spinning it back round, we're looking here, and we've got like a little red bit there, brown calf hair here. We go on the inside of this, and rather than a standard SB logo, we've got the poop SB. Amazing. We've also got, in case you want to carry some stuff around, whatever that might be, you might want to carry your keys, a lighter, something. There's a little pocket just here, your little stash pocket just there. The other thing is, now everyone doesn't like me doing this, but these are worth taking out. We've also got the inner sole. Now the inner sole, which you can't see there on camera 1 or really camera 2, you can't really see this inner sole. SJ on Sneaker can see this. Now these are allegedly all the dogs of the people that worked on the shoe, which is kind of crazy. I just want to check to see if there's any spaniels. I'm not seeing obvious spaniel. I think there's some dogism going on because there's not an obvious spaniel there. And of course it's a classic zoom. There's another thing that we need to look at. So we'll put that back in there, get that in there nice and tight. We want to look at the sole. So we've got, in fact, the midsole, we've got the white here, red stitching. You know, you can see that. You've got this sort of white, oh look, I've stepped in something. The brown piece here, just to indicate that you stepped in something. I want to show you both shoes because inherently they look the same, don't they? Both shoes look the same. If we do this, actually the heel of this one on the right hand side has got the brown that you stepped in, and on the left it stepped on there. If that was real, that would absolutely stink. It'd be a right pain in the neck to get out. This is the 420 Dog Walker from 2019. What do you think, everyone? I am super impressed with these. Like, I did pay a little bit too much on StockX. The price did come down. So that's the trick, people. If you're after a hype shoe, just wait about a month and the price will settle down to what you expect to pay. So SJ, there on Sneaker Cam, I know you really wanted these when they first came out. What are your thoughts now?
I still really want them.
Yeah, really want them.
Yeah.
Really want them.
Yeah.
It's gonna be nice when I finally undex it. Oh, I can't speak at the moment, everyone. Got back from the US on Friday and it's really affected me this time. I can't speak. I just want to check the ends of the lace of, what are these called? Eglots. I can't remember. There's nothing on the end of the lace caps, people. Just wanted to let you know that. Just checking in there. Are they the same? Yes, they are. Did we do well? I think we did. I really like these. I really love this green. This suede is really nice. It, like, in the pictures, it looked rough, but shaggy, but actually, it's a lot softer than I thought. And I'm really surprised at the quality of this calf hair, pony hair, whatever it is. I'm really surprised. And this is just a really nice touch on the back. Oh, if I was a dog, that would really annoy me. It'd be jingling and jangling. It would. So, people, if you haven't subscribed and you're new around here, don't forget to do that. That's somewhere down there, I think. And of course, I just want to say to all of our regular subscribers, thank you for subscribing, thanks for watching, all that stuff. Don't forget to hit the old notification bell if you haven't done that. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and please leave us a comment because it's always fun. It's always fun. And of course, what do we do on Sundays, SJ?
Sneaker streaming Sundays.
Sneaker streaming Sundays. So we stream every Sunday at about 8 PM UK. That makes it about 12 PM on the West Coast, 3 PM on the East Coast, about 5 AM in Tokyo, could be 4 AM. Come and join us. We chat about sneakers and other stuff, mainly sneakers. So everyone, I just want to say I'm out of here. See ya. Thoughts?
Suede is similar to the Stussy lasers.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's really similar. These are slightly shaggier than those. But yeah,
Really?
yeah, I think so. I think so. Or it's just the way they've rubbed.
No red laces.
No red laces, brown.
Okay.
Red would really set them off, I think.
Yeah, Toxic swapped his out for red.
Yeah, that's a good lace swap. I don't know whether the brown might be too dark.
No brown.
No brown.
No.
All right then, peeps, we really are out of here. I'll see you later. Bye.